Brunei. Brunei Darussalam, officially known as the Nation of Brunei, the Abode of Peace, is a small but wealthy country located on the north coast of the island of Borneo in Southeast Asia. It is surrounded by the Malaysian state of Sarawak and has a coastline along the South China Sea. The country is divided into 4 districts: Brunei-Muara, Tutong, Belait, and Temburong. Area and population. Brunei has a land area of approximately 5,765 square kilometers, 2,226 square miles, and a population of around 460,000 as of 2021. The majority of the population is concentrated in the Brunei-Muara district, which includes the capital city, Bandar Seri Begawan. Ethnic composition and religion. The population of Brunei is diverse, with ethnic Malays comprising about 66% of the total population, followed by Chinese, 10%, indigenous groups, 6%, and other ethnicities, 18%. Islam is the official religion, and the majority of the population is Muslim, with smaller communities of Christians, Buddhists, and others. Economy. Brunei's economy is heavily dependent on its vast reserves of oil and natural gas, which account for over 90% of its export revenues and more than half of its GDP. The country is one of the world's largest producers of liquefied natural gas, LNG, and has significant reserves of crude oil. Brunei's per capita GDP is among the highest in the world, and the country has a high standard of living. The government has been working to diversify the economy beyond the energy sector, focusing on areas such as tourism, agriculture, and information technology. The Sultanate is also investing in education and infrastructure to support its economic diversification efforts. Politics and government. Brunei is an absolute monarchy, with the Sultan of Brunei serving as the head of state and head of government. Sultan Hassan al-Bolkiah has been in power since 1967, and his family has governed the country for more than 6 centuries. The Sultan is advised by a council of ministers, a legislative council, and a privy council. However, he retains full executive authority and has the final say on all matters of state. Brunei's legal system is based on a combination of English common law and Islamic law, Sharia. In 2014, the country introduced a new Sharia penal code, which has raised concerns about human rights and religious freedom. Education and healthcare. Brunei has a well-developed education system, with free education provided for all citizens from preschool to university level. The literacy rate is high, at around 96%. The country has 2 main universities, University Brunei Darussalam and University Islam Sultan Sharif Ali. Healthcare in Brunei is of a high standard, and medical services are free for citizens. The country has a comprehensive public healthcare system, with several modern hospitals and a network of health centers and clinics. Languages. The official language of Brunei is Malay, but English is also widely spoken and used as a working language in business and government. Other languages spoken in the country include Chinese and indigenous languages such as Dusun and Iban. The Brunei Investment Agency, BIA, is the sovereign wealth fund of Brunei Darussalam. Established in 1983, the BIA was created to manage the country's excess oil and gas revenues, invest in diversified asset classes, and generate sustainable long-term returns for the benefit of the nation and its citizens. As of today, the total assets under the management of Brunei Investment Agency is about $71 billion. The primary objectives of the BIA are to preserve and grow the country's financial resources for the benefit of current and future generations, to diversify Brunei's economy by investing in a range of asset classes, sectors, and geographies, to provide a stable source of income and support the country's long-term economic development. The BIA invests in a variety of financial instruments, including equities, fixed income, real estate, and alternative investments, both domestically and internationally. The agency focuses on generating long-term, risk-adjusted returns while maintaining a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with Brunei's broader economic objectives. The BIA operates under the purview of the Brunei Ministry of Finance and Economy and is governed by a board of directors, which includes members from the ministry, the Brunei royal family, and other key stakeholders. The board is responsible for setting the overall strategic direction, overseeing investment policies and risk management, and ensuring that the BIA operates in line with its mandate and the nation's long-term interests. The BIA is known for its discreet and conservative investment approach, which prioritizes capital preservation and long-term growth over short-term gains. This approach has allowed the BIA to build a robust and diversified portfolio that can generate sustainable returns and support the country's economic development. The BIA's specific investments and assets under management are not publicly disclosed, but it is believed to hold significant stakes in various sectors, including energy, telecommunications, real estate, and hospitality. The agency's role as a strategic investor allows it to support the growth of key industries in Brunei and contribute to the nation's ongoing economic diversification efforts.